In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to surf Pokémon FireRed. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to acquire HM03 Surf. For you to get it, you will have to go to a specific location. It is quite hidden, so this is why most people prefer to look at a guide. You will have to go into the Safari Zone to find the HM for Surf. So go into the Safari Zone and start as usual. Now, from the first zone, you will go forward, then all the way to the right, up, and then to the right again. So essentially, you are taking this exit to the top right. Once you go to the exit at the top right, you will find yourself at this location, so you just keep going to the right once more. Then go up and down this set of stairs here. With this done, go all the way to the left and then keep going up. You go through another set of stairs and you do a loop over here. So essentially, you are looking to go over to this top left location. Once you go through the top left, you will keep going to the left, and instead of taking this first set of stairs, you go through it, go to the grass, and then you go to these stairs here. Now, keep going all the way up, and you will have to loop around these grass blocks here, and then go all the way down. So you are looking to go to the bottom left exit. Make sure that you don't go into any of these, and make sure that you are taking the correct set of stairs. Then, finally, you just have to go down to the left, and you will find this secret house that you can go inside of. The NPC will congratulate you for finding the secret house, and he will give you HM03 Surf. Now, just like any other TM or HM in the game, you will be able to teach it to a compatible Pokemon, usually water types, and then when you approach any body of water and you interact with it by pressing the A button, you will find the option to surf. So you will see this message: the water is dyed a deep blue, would you like to surf? Of course, the Pokemon with surf needs to be in your party, and as long as you choose the option to surf, your character will now begin surfing on that patch of water. I hope I was able to help you on how to surf Pokémon FireRed. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.